2022 Sea Ray 400 SLX. Rear aft seating, submersible swim platform, rear facing speakers. This hull is equipped with Sea Ray's Quiet Ride technology. Easy walk-through transom. This section right here lowers down to increase the cockpit space. Ship-to-shore radio antenna, radar and GPS array, windshield wiper with washer fluid, pressured water system sprayer there, remote spotlight, windlass is located in that compartment. We'll climb on the boat and check out the interior. Entering the boat, again pointing out the nice large rear swim platform. Huge seating throughout the boat. Convertible cockpit table. Companion seat. This double wide passenger seat swivels around to enjoy the aft cockpit. Refrigerator and freezer. Pressured water system with sink. Dual electric Kenyan grills. The shade opens up to allow natural light. Dual helm seats. Digital throttle and shift. Axis joystick control. Ship-to-shore radio. Smart craft control system. Trim tab adjustments. Dual 12-inch touchscreens, remote spotlight, remote for the stereo, all of your switches, going up into the bow. You have a bow block off door right here that closes off. Bow seating with an additional stereo remote. There's a cushion that goes on this platform to create a bow filler cushion. In-floor storage. More storage on the port side of the boat. This boat is equipped with twin Mercruiser 8.2 liter mag V8s with Bravo 3s, which allows the joystick control to work really, really well. Cockpit heat. Going down into the cabin. Forward berth with convertible table. TV with Bose surround system. Another refrigerator, your microwave, another audio control. There's your air conditioning and heat control for down here in the cabin. Vacuum flush head with shower. Your secondary berth, nice and big. Those are the cushions for the Valfrilla cushion.